Yo, yo, yo! This is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt. Your hardest team's called Grunt. And this is Pokemon Masters. Or rather, this is Pokemon Rumble Rush, I'm sorry. This is the Battle Royale Torchic Cup. We're done with all tiers except Master Ball tier. I'm not sure how we are going to survive this. Probably need to renew. Still not good because Mienshao is a fighting type. Not good with the opponents I see right now. Still renew. Oh my goodness. Nothing. And wow, 20,000 CP. Maybe we need to switch out Mienshao, guys. Maybe we will die if we use Mienshao. Or maybe not. I have no idea. We'll see. We'll try to battle once and hopefully we don't die immediately. Good luck. Good luck to you. Good luck. Good luck. Oh my gosh, Mienshao is dying as I expected. Oh my gosh, we're dying. Love Disc is dying. Oh no. Hey, what are you doing? Yes! Oh yes! Oh yes! We won! We won, guys! We won! 62,000 points. Master Ball tier. Oh my gosh, I didn't expect this, but Mienshao, you are worthless. I'm going to switch you out right now. That's the highest tier possible swap shop. We can actually exchange a couple of items right now, but we have 2 more attempts and I am going to switch out Mienshao because you are worthless as heck. I am going to switch with either Magmar or someone else, probably Grappler. And I'm going to switch you with Magmar. And there you have it, guys. That's my new team. Hopefully we don't die. There's a water type over there. I'm afraid that we might renew. There's still a water type. But I think we will survive this. I hope we will survive this. 2 more rounds, guys. 2 more rounds. 2 more rounds. 2 more rounds. Come on, do your job. Tyrant, you can win this. Tyrant, no, Tyrant. Magmar, come on. Yes, we won twice in a row, guys. Awesome. We got 70,000 points. That is so cool. And 1 more battle, guys. 1 more battle. Master Ball tier. We have 300 something thousand points right now. Charizard, Charmander, Steelix, Lugia. Yeah, I think they're pretty weak compared to my team right now. I think we will win. I hope we will win again. I just hope. I hope, guys. I hope we win 3 times in a row. I think we're doing fine right now. Our HP is still high. Come on. Win this battle. Everyone, do not lose. Yes. We won. Nobody died. We got 94,000 points. That is so cool. And with that said, that is the Master Ball tier, guys. You can actually exchange a couple of items right now. Get once you reach a total of 500,000 points. Pokeglam, Fire-type Prince, Pokeglam, Fun Balloon, Socket Plus can be exchanged for 1 more times. You know what? Let's claim our Socket Plus right now. The Pokemon you use it on will have its power gear sockets increase from 1 to 2. Exchange. You got Socket Plus. You can't exchange any more of this. I'm gonna exchange for 60,000 points. Can that only be used on Tyrant? Can't I switch to any other Pokemon? Fine, you know what? Let's just exchange. You got Fire-type Prince. Exchange. You got Fun Balloons. And as for these, I'll just ignore them for the meantime. Just ignore them for the meantime, guys. Going back. How do we go to our Pokeglam something? Menu? Profile? Edit? Change title. We cannot change title yet. There's no title. How do you go to Pokeglam? How do you go to Pokeglam, guys? Press the upgrade button when you want to increase the number of sockets a power gear has. Upgrade is over there at the top left, guys. Pokeglam, Fire-type Prince, Fire Balloons. Once you use a piece of Pokeglam, it disappears. No, I won't use a Pokeglam. Let's just leave it like there. And with that said, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts. Share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. And I'm kind of tempted to repeat tournament because I think one more win and we can actually get our Torchic Cup Star thing. Once we get, you know, around 500,000 points, if that is possible, let's try another Master Ball tier. Let's hope we win this, guys. Let's hope we win this. I'm hoping we win this. Please win this. Please win this. Please win this. Oh my gosh. They are dying. They are dying. Oh my goodness. This is not good. This is not good. This is not good. Yes. But I don't think we will get 94,000 points. Oh, we got 94,000 points. Okay. And so I think that's it. We have collected a total of 500? No, we only have 498,160. That's frustrating as heck. Anyway, guys, I'll see you tomorrow.